Hey, what's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Your boy LB back with another one of them things, mate. One time for the one time. You know what it is up over here, eh? Check it out, though. Check it out. Today, my nigga, we got some more Lil Buzz. Rest in peace. Double hand salute and shout out to Oakland, bruh. With stormy weather. A lot of y'all been in my comment box, bro, like, you gotta do a Lil Buzz stormy weather, man. So for y'all, I got it, man. We gonna bring it to the motherfucking stage. That way.
Drop dummy. I say I ain't letting shit slide, nigga. So it's whatever. Say it's cold out on the block, nigga. Better get your sweater for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather. I say I ain't letting shit slide, nigga. So it's whatever. Say it's cold out on the block, nigga. Better get your sweater for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather. Say it get cold out on the block, better get your sweater. It ain't hot. Tryna duck and dodge them cops, gotta keep your heat. That's all you got. They heard I'm headed to the top. Now I guess these fuck niggas want my spot. Fuck nigga, you want this shit? Come take it. That's high. Another nigga get shot. Another nigga get got. I done fell in love with a red dot. I done put a makeover on my Glock. Bitch can't two-tone, no stock. Still gotta do wrong when I'm not. Ain't tryna move wrong when I'm doing wrong. I'ma worry about her child. She tell me move on when I'm doing wrong. I'm just tryna make her proud.
Woo! Woo! Gas station, bro. Y'all catch that rhyme pattern? Not only that, just the bars right there, but the whole believe me, that multiple syllable rhyming is not easy to do, my nigga.
I done fell in love with a red dot. I done put a makeover on my Glock. Bitch can't two-tone, no stock. Still gotta do wrong when I'm not. Ain't tryna move wrong when I'm doing wrong. I'ma worry about her child. She tell me move on when I'm doing wrong. I'm just tryna make her proud. I'm tryna milk a bitch like a cow. Remember, fuck niggas not allowed. Gotta get my head up out the clouds. Gotta keep my head up when I'm down. Around town smoking on loud. When you doing bad, it's kinda hard to smile. Around town smoking on loud. When you doing bad, so it's whatever. Say it's cold out on them.
I understand that part, my nigga. My nigga Ply say, when a nigga broke, he ain't supposed to have patience, my nigga. It's kind of hard to smile when you ain't doing right and living right, ain't getting it right, when ain't shit going right for you, my nigga. It's hard to, like, damn. Shit.
Nigga, better get your sweater for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather. I say I ain't letting shit slide, nigga. So it's whatever. Say it's cold out on the block, nigga. Better get your sweater for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather. I've been down bad for too long now, nigga. Up, they don't wanna see me, man. Ever since I was young, I've been going dumb. Mama told me just be patient. I know this shit seem fun, but it ain't fun when a nigga heart be racing. Gotta go on the run, gotta keep a gun, money. I'm out here chasing. People tell me I'm the one, but I ain't the one. Please don't try me, baby. I been trying to get up, I ain't getting up. Shit finna drive me crazy. I don't really give a fuck about no love. Nobody been by me lately. I used to shed tears for who was here, but now that shit don't faze me. I want them meals, my body got chills. Bitches, fuck you, pay me. Ain't got no deal, this shit for real. I'm 10 toes down to the pavement. Yeah, and bitch, I'm self-made, ain't nobody.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I like about That's what I liked about this young nigga. See, it's fucked up when you take niggas off the rap game that's like this, bruh. Like, Cub probably could have made a big ass change in his life and his community and in other people's lives, and would have trickled down, my nigga. Without a label, though. Like he just said, 10 toes down to the pavement off the motherfucking mud. Got it by yourself, my nigga. You gotta salute that.
Yeah, I look like money, I drive these bitches crazy. This shit slide, nigga. So it's whatever. Say it's cold out on the block, nigga. Better get your sweater for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather. I say I ain't letting shit slide, nigga. So it's whatever. Say it's cold out on the block, nigga. Better get your sweater for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather for like I'm round my top missing. The stormy weather.
stormy weather. God bless the dead, bruh. Gone too soon, my nigga. Gone too motherfucking soon, bruh. Double hand salute and shout out to Oakland, man. I fuck with that video, bruh. This was a little young nigga getting up out the mud that was getting up on his own, that was definitely on his way of blowing the fuck up, my nigga. You couldn't believe that. Definitely, my nigga. So I hope he had some other niggas up in his camp that was rapping or doing something that could keep his name alive, because I'm knowing the Bay will keep his name alive. From what y'all told me, this nigga is like a legend up there in Oakland. So much love and respect to you and yours, my nigga. Anyway though, bruh. Mate. Let me know what you think about that. Get in the comment box, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, mate. Tell a friend to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You repping that yay area, and you got love for my nigga Lil Buzz, on the strength of my nigga alone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and put some more of them videos up in a box so we can bring it to the motherfucking stage. That way. LB for What's the Deal, and I'm gone. 200.